Welcome to Fails Components and its all new audio and video features. We have been using Fails in classes for a while. And using it at school is great, and I love it. See my other video about Fails, many features. Recently, I moved to 3rd grade and got new teachers. Some are really strange. But thanks to Fails' audio and video features, we have hybrid classes, and I can stay safely at home and still listen and watch the class. I'll show you how to do it. We go as usual to the lecture in Fails. See how strange the topics of Mrs. Howling are? That is not a real history class. Anyway, we press the button to join the class with audio and video. If the button is not there, your school may not offer hybrid classes, your teacher may not have turned on the feature, or some water break-in hit the school's audio, video servers, again. Now, we have the audio, video panel on the top right corner. When I press the display button, the video of my teacher appears. See how strange she looks? There is something weird about her, but I don't know what it is. I am so relieved that I can stay safely at home. I do not dare to press the speaker button, but I cannot follow the classes without it. So I press the button, and now I can hear Mrs. Howling. Oh, that's much scarier. Well, I'll turn her off now, as her teaching is still weird. I am shivering. If I listen to her, something is really off with her. I wonder what. Also, my mommy told me that bad guys can't tap into Fails audio and video stuff because of E2E encryption and pseudonymized routing. I have no idea what she was talking about, but it sounds interesting. Okay, that is enough. Presenting the wolf as an innocent fairy tale creature and telling that he is much nicer than a unicorn? I have to protect my unicorns and stand up for them. Okay, I'm going to trick her. I press the question button. Ask an innocent question, and I select that I like to pose an audio-video question. I press the send button. Now, Mrs. Howling gets to say if I can talk or not. Oh wow, she's letting me talk. I press the microphone button, select the microphone, and now everyone can hear me. Let's fight back and stand up. I turn on my camera too and show a picture to show real unicorn power. Yep, she turned off my sound and camera. I knew she would. Art, and do you see her real face? She's a werewolf. Oh. It's time for the next class. My schedule says physics. I hope we learn about magnets and other cool things. Not this guy again. Our principal got it all wrong when he hired him. He always writes on the board and shows slides at the same time. Fails automatically switches between the two views. But I have to do more important stuff. I have to draw some unicorns. I can press the unlock button and then I decide if the weird slides or the board is shown. So I can switch back and forth. And then I can draw my unicorns to the board. How awesome! And that's it. You see, learning with Fails is fun. Thank you for listening. I am Anna. I am not human but a voice of Microsoft's Azure text-to-speech service. Please check out the other videos about Fails components. I wish you happy failing. I have now really to follow the class, and maybe draw one unicorn. Or 2. Maybe 3. Or would it be 4?